Ora, my cousins, it's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokerau, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I grew up here on the family farm. This is my brother, John Boy. My dad, Frank, and my mum, Kim. Woo! Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean! Hoake tātou.
And today, there is an epic sandcastle competition at the beach.
I'm gonna have to go all out to win this competition!
I revealed the secret behind my gumboots.
Hey, check it out, my cousins!
And one of my dreams comes true.
I'm flying! Tēnā koutou, my cousins. Kei te tino hio moa hau. Oh, I'm really excited because today I'm going back to school. Oh, I'm going back to kura. All right. Dad, I'm off.
Where you off to?
Oh, to kura.
What, to school? What for?
Ki te ako, to learn.
Fair enough. Be nice to the other kids, eh?
Love you, Dad.
Love you too, son. Be school after cool. Ooh, that's not right.
This is going to be amazing, my cousins. I haven't been to Kura in like 20 years. It's ages ago. I'm going to make it my mission to learn as much as possible. Gather the knowledge, pass it down to the mokopuna. Oh, you're never going to guess where I'm going to Kura. Come on, we're almost there. Check it out! Tokukura Ho! My new school! That's right, my cousins. I'm going to flight school. I'm going to learn how to fly a wakarererangi, an aeroplane. Let's go!
Hello.
Kia ora. Buzz the Cuz reporting for his first day of flight training.
Oh, yes, Buzz. Welcome to the Kaitai Air Club. I'm Mark.
Kia ora, Mark.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Permission for the Cuzzies to join as well?
Of course. Kia ora, Cuzzies. Follow me.
Whoa! This buddy is awesome!
Buzz, today we're going to see if you've got what it takes to be a pilot.
Buzz, kaiuru mi wakarererangi.
Oh, I've always wanted to be a pilot.
And a mermaid.
Well, you're in the right place to be a pilot.
Ooh.
Today I'll be your instructor. You can call me Mark. Instructor Mark, or the man.
And is the your first name?
Let's go for a pre-flight briefing in the pilot's office. Yeah, follow me. Fly safe.
Fly safe. Tick.
Ooh, pushback. What happens when you take a watch on a plane? Time flies. Oh,
Aro, Buzz.
focus!
And come back to the airport. The other way. Left-hand pattern.
Yes, sir!
All right, Buzz, you've successfully completed your trial flight briefing. Let's go to the plane.
This whakarererangi is amazing! Check out the propeller! Oh, so beautiful! Oh, and look at the pakihau! The wings! Wow! And look at the little weeder! Oh, so cute! This whakarererangi is awesome! Hongi! Modi ora! Oh, keep us safe.
All right, Buzz. Let's do our pre-flight inspection.
Check!
The engine bunks,
Check!
fuel vent bung,
Check!
oil check.
Check!
Fuel check.
Fuel quantity, check. Fuel quality, check.
Tire pressure check.
Check.
All right, Buzz. Let's get in the plane. Over the shoulder.
Perfect. Oh, what does this thing do?
So it's the control column.
Left, right, down, and up.
That's good.
Woo! I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go, Mark?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Let's do it! Oh yeah, safe on! Awesome! Oh! Check it out! Those are houses down there. Oh, there they are. Oh yeah! Beautiful whenua. Whenua o ngai takato. Etsu. Te tiro mai kadis, ko Lake Mātu te ngoa tēnei roto. That's where I had a waka ama race with the Ngātu Lakers and almost won. Ātāhua. We're getting up in the cloud. Another cars back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I am with the man, the myth, the legend, Mark. In an aeroplane. We're just currently heading out to 90 Mile Beach. Oh, look, we've made it to the Tātahi. There's some people down there fishing. Oh, when you get this high, you can really see how long the beach is, eh? Oh, that's it's so beautiful up here.
So there we go. Why don't you just look at the controls over to you, handing over.
Taking over.
We're not making any big movements. We're just under there. Now you're flying.
I'm flying! I'm doing it! Yee-hee! Oh my goodness, I've always wanted to fly a plane! Yes, Kazi, we're doing it! Oh my Manu! Oh my Manu! I can see why you became a pilot.
Too much fun, eh?
Oh yeah. A landing point down there, my caddies. Coming in for landing. Tinker, baby.
that a handbrake? That's the flap. Here we go. Whee! I think that's the landing.
Whee!
Well, Buzz, now that you got your Buzz wings, I got you this.
Oh! Top Gun jacket! How do I look?
Great.
Oh, that was amazing, my cousins! Mark, you really are the man.
You're the man too, Buzz, and got one more surprise for you. Follow me.
Another surprise! Find my cousins! Oh, I can't see anything.
Your hands are covering your eyes.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Buzz the Cuz, present to you your trial flight certificate. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, the man. I'd like to thank my mum, my dad, my brother John Boy, Zion, and all the cousins. Without you, I wouldn't be here right now. I'll see you tomorrow, Instructor Mark. Ka kite.
Fresh. Oh. Kia ora, and welcome to Buzz's Gumboot Yarns. Over the years, a lot of people have wondered, who is Buzz the Cuz?
Why does he walk like that?
And where does he get his amazing kamuputu from? Well, I'm here today to answer one of those pātai for you. The answer is not where, but who. And that amazing person is my bro, Maihi.
Hey, Buzz. Wait, what are you doing here? Hold on. What am I doing here?
Kia ora, my cuz. Say hi to all the cousins.
Oh, kia ora, cuzzies.
Oh, I was just telling them that the secret to my amazing kamuputu is you, Nera.
Oh, ai tika.
So, today I brought some new kamuputu for you to show us how to decorate. Keen?
Keen as, let's do it.
Yee! What do we need?
All right, so I see you bought some kamuputu. And some penne tie.
Oh,
Is that it?
Aye?
What? No spray paint?
Cool.
What about stencils?
Cool.
No stickers?
Oh, nah, cool.
Hey, but no, I remember, because it was blue and then you changed it.
Cuz, kei te pai taiwa. The most important tool that you need to bring if you want to do mahi toi or art is you, Buzz.
Me?
Ai, ko koe. All of my designs just come from up here. I just let my imagination flow and then use something like these penne tai to bring it to life.
teach me your ways. You can be my matua and I'll be your padawan.
Ka pai. Well, we'll just do one gumboot each, eh?
Let's do it.
All right. Now I want you to look at your gumboot.
Look at my gumboot.
I want you to feel the gumboot.
Feel the gumboot.
I want you to become the gumboot.
I am the gumboot.
All right. Now visualize what you want to have on there. Let your imagination just run wild. If you have any colors, any shapes, any designs, you can even put some animals on there if you want. But the most important thing, Buzz, I want you to have fun.
Oh, okay. Analyzing. Analyzing. Thinking.
I've got it.
Perfect. Well, let's start designing then.
Okay, let's do it.
Check it out, Buzz.
Hey,
Just got a few designs here that represent some of the things in the ocean. Got some pūhoro here, representing the waves. Also got a mangopare here as well.
I can see it.
That's a shark.
You know what?
Hammerhead.
Oh, words right out of my mouth.
Look at what I'm doing. This one looks like a spiky marshmallow, but it's actually my version of the sun, and I'm not sure what that one is yet, but I felt good when I was drawing it.
That looks awesome, bro.
Let's keep going.
What are you gonna do on that side, cuz?
I'm gonna draw the wairua of a dolphin.
Oh, I hear. I've heard they're really smart.
I'm a dolphin. Kuaotio, I'm all finished.
Meo hoki amo done too.
Hey, check it out, my cousins. Check out our brand new kamuputu.
Muda muda pai kamuputu buzz. You're gonna look so flash in these.
Tēnā koe te parata. Thank you so much for all of your help.
All right, cuz. Well, that was a buzz and all, but can you send me back to my kāinga, please? I'm hungry and I haven't had my lunch yet. Oh, hold on, my chicken.
Oh, mō taku he. Well, there you have it e te whānau. Turns out your most powerful tool is yourself. This has been your Gumboot Yarns update. Ka kite anō. Oh, turns out I'm having chicken too. Killed up.
One man, one bucket, one spade, one dream. To build the most epic sandcastle ever!
Is that a mermaid? I want to be a mermaid. Oh, kia ora, my cousins. No mai ki te taitokero. Hey, I just saw a mermaid. Te tino. Hey, e haere ia ki hea. She was over there. I just saw hine moana. Ah, he rangi moko puna. What a beautiful day. Today, I'm on an epic mission to have the most epic sandcastle building competition ever. I've got my hoe, my spade, I've got my ipu onepu, my bucket. Now all I need is some competition. Find my cousins. Whee! All right, who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants to take on the best sandcastle builder ever? Buzz the Builder Sandcastle, cuz. Hey, hey. Oh. Must have scared them off when I was walking in slow-mo. In Mohi, I know. I can call some of my friends to see if they'll join the sandcastle competition. Tēnā koe whae Edwina. Ai, he rangi tino a tāhua. Well, I'm calling because I'm having an epic sandcastle building competition and I wondered if yous would like to come down. Are you keen? You are? Rawe! Ai, ka pai whaia. Ai, akua nei. Hurrah! We have some competitors! This is gonna be amazing! Alright, my cousins, let's go and find a spot for the perfect epic sandcastle building competition! Yee! This will be the perfect spot for our sandcastle building competition. There's so many things at the tātahi to use. This is gonna be tino epic! Wow! Kia ora e te whānau. Ko Buzz ahau. He whakataitai e haere ake nei. Are you all here for the sandcastle building competition? Aye! Well, you've come to the right place. Tukumihi atu ki ngā kazis. Hey, kazis, meet all my friends from Te Kohanga Reo o Ngāti Kahu. All righty, tighty, let's get down to business. You have 15 minutes to create the best paonepu you can. Marama? Ni haro! Tei, rua, toru, karawhiua! Here's a little safety message, my cozies. Make sure when you're making a sandcastle, you don't go and dig it into a sand dune or the sandbanks. They can fall on top of you. Hey, let me show you a trick that my dad taught me for making really strong paonepu. Tuatahi, I dig a big hole like this, and then I fill it with wai. Rawe, tuarua, te tua papa. A strong foundation is important, my cozies. You don't want to have a weak tua papa. Next minute your paonepu falls over just when you're about to finish it, start crying and John laughs at you. Still remember the feeling after all these years? Nō reira, a strong foundation is important in sandcastle building and in life. Oh, ka mau te wehi. All I'm doing is piling heaps of wet sand on top of itself. It makes for a really strong foundation. You don't really want to use dry sand because it all falls apart. Pēnei. Ka pai, let's keep building. All right, let's check in with the others. Oh, he tino pai tō paonepu. Your sandcastle looks amazing. This is a Flash's paonepu.
I made them a pool.
Ko ai tō ingoa.
Chevelle.
Are you here to build the best sandcastle ever, Chevelle? God, oh, keep going. Whoa, some of these paonepu are amazing. I don't even think I can compete. Kia kaha, Buzz. All right, tamariki ma, te community e toi ana, we only have 10 minutes left. Kia kaha! Now I'm going to carve out my paonepu with my spade. The tamariki have already made some amazing paonepu, so I'm going to have to go all out to win this competition. Hee-hee! And now for my moat to protect my castle. Ah, perfect. Now let's collect some things for my sandcastle. Come on! Minutes left, my cozies. Kia kaha! Can't see! Everyone stop their mahi! Ka pai! Who thinks they've got the best paonepu? Okay, well, let's see. Now, who's going to be our kai whakawā? our judge. Eh?
Kia ora!
You talking to me?
Aye.
Ah, well, I've never. Kia ora.
Kia ora, mi Dakota.
What in the pāo and the poo is going on here?
Oh, well, we're having a sandcastle building competition. Hey, do you think that you could be our judge, please?
Ooh, gee, you know, I'd love to, but I have a meeting with Tangaroa's Pantry anytime now.
Please?
All right. Here's a look. Oh, yes, this is really striking to the eye. Now, this reminds me of the time I escaped the killer whale's embrace. It was not a good time. Buzz, is this your mahi?
Aye.
This is amazing. It reminds me of the time that I hung out with a honu, a turtle. He had a shell similar, but not as rawe as this. You've really outdone yourself, Buzz. Rawe.
So, have you made your decision?
Aye, but it was hard. The winner of this whakataitai hanga pā one pū is... Te pā tawhito o tēnei o ngā hua!
And now for my favorite part of building sandcastles, knocking them down! There you have it, my cousins. One epic sandcastle building competition and some handy hints to help you get out there and make the most miharo pā o ne pū you can. Ka kite anō.